Wait. Stop. Don't even think about cutting up your credit card. Don't you know that cutting your credit cards can cause you more harm than good to your credit score? Stick around and let me show you some more reasons why you should definitely not, under any circumstances, cut up your credit cards. 3 reasons why you should never cut up and cancel your credit card. First of all, don't cut your credit card up, because that's not what's going to solve the real problem. And that real problem is you. Did the credit card magically go out and go on a shopping spree and rack up thousands of dollars in debt? No. Did the credit card tell you not to pay your bills on time? No. Well, that leaves the responsibility in your hands. If you check yourself, check your spending and your habits that you have with this credit card, then maybe your credit will be in a much better place right now, because it's definitely not the credit card's fault. It's yours. Taking those scissors and actually physically taking them and cutting up that credit card will give you this false sense of control, like you're actually doing something to take control of your credit, when that's not the case. You should be actually taking control of yourself. Just because you cut that credit card doesn't mean that the credit issues are going to go away. You need to take control of your spending and the way you use that credit card. It's not the credit card's fault. The credit card is not responsible for your irresponsible behavior, which is giving you the low credit scores and the bad credit as a whole. Long story short, be more responsible with your credit, and everything else should take care of itself. Here's another reason why you definitely do not want to cut up that credit card, and you definitely don't want to cancel. You're going to love this. It's very obvious. If the bank is giving you money to use, why are you going to stop yourself from using it? Why are you going to take away your privilege of using other people's money, OPM? In this case, it's the bank giving you credit. Yes, having access to a bank's credit is a privilege, and you should treat it as such. Be responsible with your credit. Do all the right things, and you'll get credit limit increases. Normally, when you increase the available credit on your credit profile, your credit score goes up. So your credit score will go up after you get some increases. If you keep doing the right things with your credit score can go up. But when your overall credit limit is increased, that affects your whole credit profile. And on the flip side, when you subtract some available credit by canceling and cutting up your credit cards, you can potentially decrease your score a lot. The more available credit you take away from your credit profile, the more you can hurt your score. So why hurt yourself? Why potentially hurt your credit report and your overall credit profile by cutting up a card that didn't do anything to you? You did it to yourself. So fix yourself, fix your credit, and get more cards. A big reason why you don't want to cut up and cancel that credit card is because you don't want to affect and lower the overall age of your credit. Credit age accounts for 15% of your credit score. So, what does that mean? If you eliminate, let's say, the oldest card on your account, then you're going to make your credit profile younger. You don't want to do that. You want your credit to age like fine wine. The majority of people who have the highest credit scores have the oldest credit profiles, and your credit cards have a lot to do with that. Once you get your first credit card and you have it for a long time, it accumulates age and matures. That counts positively towards your credit score. So why cut up a card when you just get it? Just treat the card well, use it responsibly, and over time, just by having it, it will help your credit score in the long run. So keep that card. Okay, I understand that if you're even watching this video and you're thinking about cutting up your card and canceling your card, then you probably messed up your credit anyway. I understand that. But you should be thinking about getting that card back in good standing with some money to use off of it. Because think of all the good things you can do with available credit that you can use at your disposal. Anything that happens and you don't happen to have the cash at that time, you can use your card. You can walk around with a card in your pocket that can allow you to handle any emergency that happens to happen. Okay? Your car, you know how cars are. Family member may need help. Who knows? How about using that card's credit to buy more things to make more money? Buy some things with that credit card and sell it and make more money. First of all, if you're watching this video and you're thinking about cutting up your card and canceling your card, don't do that. As a matter of fact, go in the description beneath this video and get my free ebook to give you 5 free tips on how to boost your credit score. You definitely need that right now. It's free. Just go get it.